Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking. Today we are going to make a carrot drink, and this carrot drink is also known as carrot punch. It's very refreshing and it's very tasty. So let's start making it. I'll start by using some fresh carrots. I'll teach you how to make a homemade carrot juice. So I'll be using 2 carrots. You can use as much as up to 8 carrots. It all depends on the size of your carrot. So I'll show you by making a carrot juice in this video. So I'll start by cutting the edges. The carrot has already been washed. Then I'm going to peel up the carrot. So you really need to peel off your carrot after washing it, so you are going to remove all the dirt, so you'll not be feeling some dirt in your drink. This drink is very delicious and is very refreshing. So this carrot punch, I'll be showing the method of making your carrot juice. You can decide to cook your carrots before you make this carrot punch, but actually I really enjoy the fresh taste of that carrot, so that's why I'm showing you my own method of carrot punch. You feel free to use either method or any method you feel comfortable in processing your carrot juice. So this is the method I'll be using to make my own carrot juice in this carrot drink, which is this carrot punch. So after scraping my carrots, which is after peeling it, I'm going to go ahead and dice the carrots, which is I'm going to cut the carrot into smaller pieces, so it will be easy for my blender to blend. Yes, I'm using a blender to make my carrot juice, and you can as well use your carrot juicer. If you have a juicer, you can use juicer to make your own carrot juice, but if you don't have, you can use this method to make your own carrot juice. So after cutting, we'll go to the other step. If you are new to my channel, you are a new viewer or you're a new subscriber, and you are a returning subscribers, thank you so much for being supportive of my channel. Please let me know where you're watching this video from in the comment section so I can give you a hug. I would just want to know where you're watching the video from. So after dicing it, we are going to go ahead and extract our carrot juice. As I said, I'm using a blender to make my own carrot juice. So I'm going to go ahead and add my carrot into my blender. Feel free to use a juicer if you have. You can use that method as well. It's also easy and perfect. So then we go ahead and add some water after adding our carrot into our blender. It makes it very easy just for us to extract our carrot to get our carrot juice after blending it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of water. You can use as I said, up to 8 carrots. It all depends on the quantity you're making for yourself or for your guests or your family. So I'm going to go ahead and also be needing vanilla extract. This recipe calls for vanilla extract. You can also use nutmeg, but actually I don't really like the taste of nutmeg in my carrot punch, so I'm going to skip nutmeg in my recipe. You can use a vanilla extract. As I said, it calls for vanilla extract, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All these ingredients will be in the description below. Please feel free to check that out as well. Please remember to give this video a like, and also remember to share this video with your loved ones. So we are going to blend to get the perfect smooth carrot juice, and then we're going to sieve, which is we are going to sieve our carrots to get our blended carrot to get our carrot juice. So as I said, you can decide to cook your carrot first, but actually it really tastes good when you make it with fresh carrots. After blending until smooth, then we are going to sieve to get our carrot juice. As I said, juicer make it more perfect. Without water, you get your perfect carrot juice. But since we don't have, you can use your blender as well to extract your carrot juice. Then after sieving, I'm going to sieve this twice just to get that perfect clean carrot juice. Actually, the first time I make a carrot punch with my kids really love it. I never added the sugar. Every taste come natural. With all the natural flavor I had, everything tastes really good. So I'm going to extract it for the second time, just the way I'm doing the video. So after extracting it, we are going to move to the other step of the video. As I said, feel free to use a juicer if you have a juicer. So if you don't have, feel free to use this method by using a blender. So then we are going to transfer it into a jar, which is a jar. Then we're going to go to the other step of our carrot poach. In this recipe call for a milk. You can use a condensed milk, or oh my bad, let me clean this up. Then I'm going to transfer it into my jar. Then we'll go to the other step of it. Then which is we are going to use, you can use condensed milk or you can use evaporated milk. That is what is called for. You can just let it suit your taste. I don't want something too sugary, so that's why I'm using evaporated milk. So I'm going to be using a can of evaporated milk on this recipe. You see, it really tastes very delicious. So after adding my one can of evaporated milk, you can quickly give it a mix to get that combined. Oh, that's nice mix to get that perfect carrot drink, which is a carrot poach. So this is my own version of carrot poach. Then I'm going to serve it to enjoy my carrot poach. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about this video, and please remember to click the bell icon so you get updated of my weekly videos and my new recipes. I post weekly videos and I share more delicious recipe with you. Thanks so much for watching my own vision of carrot drink, which is carrot poach. Hope to see you next time in my other video. Stay safe.